Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Jaewar, Noida, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the ultimate destination for anyone seeking high-quality 3D scanning services. Whether you are in the architectural, engineering, or manufacturing industry, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other scanning services in the area is their commitment to excellence and attention to detail. They understand the importance of delivering accurate and precise results, which is why they use state-of-the-art 3D scanning equipment and employ highly skilled professionals. Their team of experts will ensure that every aspect of your project is scanned with utmost precision, leaving no room for error. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their extensive experience in the field. They have successfully completed numerous projects across various industries, earning them a reputation for being reliable and efficient. No matter how complex or challenging your scanning requirements may be, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the knowledge and expertise to handle them with ease. In addition to their exceptional services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also offers competitive pricing options. They understand that budget constraints can be a concern for many businesses, which is why they strive to provide cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. By choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, you can rest assured that you will receive top-notch 3D scanning services at a reasonable price. Furthermore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in their prompt and efficient customer service. Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Jaewar, Noida, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to revolutionize the way you perceive scanning technology. With their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is setting new standards in the industry. Their commitment to delivering high-quality 3D scanning services is evident in every project they undertake. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a name you can trust. With their team of skilled professionals and cutting-edge technology, they have earned a reputation for excellence in the field. They understand the importance of precision and accuracy in 3D scanning, and they go above and beyond to meet their clients' expectations. Whether you are in Jaewar, Noida, Delhi NCR, or any other location in the region, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is just a call away. They offer their exceptional 3D scanning services to clients across the area, ensuring that everyone has access to their expertise. No matter the size or complexity of your project, Scon